Hey, my friends. So this one's short and sweet. Not a whole lot for you to do, just more of an awareness part of the Flipgrid May 2020 update. They talked about, they're always listening to us. They're always listening to the teachers about requests and features and things that they want and need. And I think this is a really helpful one. So one of the things that they've talked about and they have announced is the feedback feature, the feedback visibility for students, and I also think for teachers as well. So if I were to drop down here, and this is just a Flipgrid and a topic, and I'm looking at what my students have submitted. Here are my two students. Boy, they look like they're twins of the educator here at hand, aren't they? And you can see that for one student, I have given a reply and I've given feedback, and there's a green check mark. Now, the same thing is here with this student, but you can see that I have not given feedback. The students will see a very similar thing. They're going to see a check mark as well when feedback has been given to them as well. So it gives a visual indicator to them. And so if I am a teacher, I can go into here. This is just a really cheesy video I put together.
Here's how I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not as cool as Coolio, but close.
Okay, so if I want to give feedback, I could give video feedback. I could click this button here. I could tell them, nice job, you properly counted to 4. I could link the comments in here. I could just say, nicely done, way to use your fingers. And if I have my rubric, I'm going to give them a 4 out of 4, and the performance, I'm going to give them a 5 out of 5, depending on whatever. Now I could go through and I could copy that feedback. In this case, I'm using a student ID in this one, so they don't have a email, but otherwise this would go right to them. And there is all that feedback. Now, when I come back here, see what happens. When I give points, the points show up. If it was just a video response and it wasn't points indicated, you would get this green check. And so now we can see that. And now when kids go into their student accounts, they're going to see the same stuff here from their panel, which I think is very helpful. So now it's just another visual reminder. Feedback has been provided. It helps you as an educator, and it helps them as a student. All right, friends. Hopefully you are now aware of this, and it might be something just to share with your students so they know where to look on their dashboard. Take care. Peace.